Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to dive into some Python coding and create something really cool, the Indian national flag, using the Turtle graphics library. So if you are new to the Turtle or want to see how Python can be used to create a project, stick around. So before going to the actual code, we will go through the visual elements like what we will consider as a part of this exercise. So you can see I have described here 5 points. We are going to be using Python Turtle graphics library, which is super fun for creating shapes and designs. So this script will draw the Indian flags by creating the Ashok Chakra and 3 horizontal band, orange, white, green. So let's break it down step by step. So we will go through the code now and I'll show you how we are working on this. So I have opened the program for you. Here if you see the Turtle class, okay, so this turtle class from the turtle module I have imported, and a turtle object named flag is created, which will be used to draw the flag. Now before drawing anything, we will do some basic configuration range. In this section, if you see, the speed of the turtle is set to 3, that is medium. The pen size is set to 5, that is my thickness of line, and initial color is set to navy blue. Now we will go to the draw function. This draw function help us to draw or move the turtle to a specific x to y coordinate without drawing anything using pen up, then puts the pen down to resume drawing pen down. Now we will draw the spokes, or you can say we will draw the Ashok Chakra. Okay, so in this Ashok Chakra we know it has 24 spokes, so a loop is used to draw the 24 spokes of the Ashok Chakra by moving forward and backward 80 units, then turning it by 15 degree for each spokes. So if you multiply 15 with 24, you will get 360 degree, and a circle has 360 degree. Okay, here we are drawing the outer of our Ashok Chakra. So in this, turtle moves to a position slightly below the center and draw a full circle with a radius of 80 units to form the outer circle of the Ashok Chakra. Now here we are drawing the green band. Okay, so in this program, if you see, our turtle moves slightly lower and changes the color to green first, and then draw and fill a large rectangle representing the green band at the bottom of the flag. Here comes the orange one, which would be my top of the flag. So the turtle here move up at the top left corner and changes the color to orange. And this draw and fills another large rectangle, and this time it will representing the orange band at the top of my Indian national flag. We will give the final touch, okay, because we are done with the Ashok Chakra, we are done with the green band, and we are done with the orange band. White we would have by default, so that is why we are not drawing white band here. Finally, we are hiding the turtle to clean up the visual and call the function done. So basically this done function keep the window open so that we can admire our work, we can visualize our work, and that's it, our Tiranga is done. So now I will execute this program for you and you can see how our output looks like. So before starting it, I will open my terminal, and here is my terminal. So let's wait for my terminal to open. I will activate my environment first. I have activated, you can see here I have given the name Indian flag, which you can see at this place here. Okay, now I have given the name flag, so I will execute this program flag. Now you can see, first here we are drawing the Ashok Chakra, which has 24 spokes. We are creating an outer circle, and as I said, we will work on the green band, and then we will create our orange band, and that's it. So this is our Indian national flag, Tiranga. So here we are using turtle to create our Indian national flag. So that's it from my side for now today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and fun. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe for more coding content. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or there is something you would like to see next. Thanks for watching. Thank you.